In the world of geopolitics, there are no permanent friends or enemies. There are always permanent interests. Jai everyone. Today, I Lance Corporal Shranj Gupta, on behalf of Delhi Technological University, 1 Delhi Battalion, is here to present my lecturate on the topic United States of America, a reliable ally or a strategic opportunist. I'll be dividing my lecturate into four major segments. Number one is the basic introduction. Number two is why US is not a reliable ally of India. Number three, why is US even important with respect to our country? And number four, my personal strategic understanding related to the topic. So let us start with the basic introduction. An ally refers to a country which offers undevotional commitment to any other country, especially in the times of crisis. Some of the best examples includes United States and Britain or United States and France. And when we talk about the opportunist countries, these refers to those countries who cooperates or works with other countries primarily due to their own interest. And this is the system on which majority of the countries across the globe operates or cooperates with each other. India is also one of the same. Talking about why is US a not reliable ally with respect to India? There are mainly three reasons for the same, out of n number of reasons. Number one is the Cold War reality. We all have seen that how USA has endlessly supported Pakistan during the 1971 war and stood against India. And this turned our non-alignment movement unofficially into an aligned motion with USSR. Number two is the nuclear Pokhran attacks of India in 1998, where US has put endless number of restrictions on technology as well as the uranium when India was developing its first nuclear weapon. And number three is the US double standard games with Pakistan, where US has openly declared that Pakistan is one of the most important non-NATO ally of USA. In fact, it has provided endless number of financial as well as military aids to Pakistan. These are some of the biggest reasons why US is not a reliable ally. But then, why US is a very important country with respect to India? There are mainly two reasons for the same. Number one is the defense and strategic leverage. We all have to accept at this point of time, India is not ready to fight with China militarily. Hence, we need the support of USA. And at the same time, we have to accept that US has one of the advanced defense technologies across the globe. Moreover, India performs various military exercises with USA, whether it be Malabar or the Yuddha. In fact, India also operates with US under the Quad Summit, under the Quad organization, which includes Japan, Australia, USA, and India. Talking about the second reason, it is the technological ease. US has one of the best technologies across the globe. Companies like Apple, Google, Microsoft all have their origin from USA, as a result of which it offers endless number of jobs and opportunities to Indian students, along with a lot of investment for the development of Indian startups, as well as India's economic growth. So, keeping both of these segments in mind, India has opted for the policy of strategic autonomy, where India has clearly declared that India will cooperate with every country across the globe but will depend on none. And its practical implication can be seen on ground, where we can see that India buys the defense systems from Russia, performs military exercises with USA, and most importantly, trades across the globe with each and every country. This is mainly due to three reasons. Number one, to avoid the dependence. Number two, to maximize the benefits from all the sides. And number three, to maintain the decision-making freedom. In last, I would only like to say that USA is not trustworthy enough to be called a reliable ally for India, but at the same time, if we ignore USA, it will be a strategic stupidity. So, the best approach is to maintain relations in such a diplomatic manner that it goes in a win-win situation for both the countries. Because if India over depends upon USA, we will lose our autonomy, and if India loses the interest with USA, we will lose strategic as well as the growth ease too. With that, I would like to end my lecture over here. Thank you very much for being a patient listener. Jai Hind.